Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you rest? With the help of AI tools, you can create these 7 digital products. No design skills, no initial costs, and no stock required. If you seek to generate passive income with minimal effort and great rewards, then this video is for you. Welcome to the Smart Money Lab. Here, we transform AI into automated revenue streams. If you're looking for weekly faceless business ideas that truly work in 2025, subscribe now. Let's dive into the 7 digital products you can begin selling right away. Digital Product 1. Ebooks. For this, you'll need ChatGPT and Canva. Start by using ChatGPT to create outlines and generate content. Next, design your ebook in Canva utilizing easy drag and drop templates. Once it's finished, sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Your pro tip: always select evergreen subjects such as budgeting, fitness, or productivity. Digital Product 2. Notion templates. For this, you'll require Notion and Notion AI. Create productivity dashboards, planners, or finance trackers. Leverage Notion AI to automate task completion and format your pages. These templates do well because users will keep coming back for them. Digital Product 3. Resume and cover letter templates. The tools you need here are ChatGPT and Canva. Utilize ChatGPT for drafting professional resumes effortlessly. Then, design chic layouts using Canva. Target freelancers, remote job seekers, and students for your offers. Digital Product 4. AI prompt packs. For this venture, you'll need ChatGPT and Google Docs. Gather useful prompts for freelancers, marketers, developers, and more. Compile them into a PDF or Notion document and sell as a digital prompt toolkit. There's high demand for this now due to the boom of ChatGPT, creating a unique opportunity. Digital Product 5. Social media templates. For this, you'll utilize Canva and ChatGPT. Design eye-catching Instagram post templates or carousels. Use ChatGPT to craft captivating captions, then market to influencers, coaches, and small businesses. Expect recurring income through bundle upgrades or memberships. Digital Product 6. Digital planners or journals. For this, you'll need Canva and Midjourney. Design trendy planners for daily, weekly, wellness, or financial use. Utilize Midjourney to produce thematic visuals. Sell them as printable PDFs or GoodNotes files. Canva also offers built-in planner templates to streamline your creation process. Digital Product 7. Course slides or presentation decks. For this, use ChatGPT and Canva. Ask ChatGPT for a complete presentation outline and script, then create your deck in Canva. Once done, sell it to course creators or offer it as part of a business kit. As a bonus, upsell editable versions for premium customers. Now, you might wonder where to sell these products. It's simple. Gumroad is an easy, free platform with no approval needed. Etsy is great for planners, templates, and design bundles. Payhip is a fantastic choice for international sellers. For a unique touch, consider using Card, Stripe, or Ko-Fi to launch your own site quickly. Diversifying your income streams across multiple platforms is essential. Another question may arise: how does this lead to passive income? The answer is clear. Create once, sell infinitely. Your digital product becomes an asset that sells continuously without further physical effort after your initial work. Leverage AI to ease 90% of the workload in writing, designing, and marketing. Now, let's recap the 7 digital products you can craft using AI. Ebooks, Notion templates, resume packs, AI prompt collections, social media templates, digital planners, and presentation decks. You can combine 2 or 3 into a bundle, upsell them, or launch a mini product store. Once live, promote it through YouTube, TikTok, or SEO. If you want a step-by-step guide to starting your digital product store with AI tools, comment "Sell I" below. Subscribe to the Smart Money Lab. We release at least 5 to 6 faceless income videos weekly. Thank you for watching. Now, go create your next digital asset and pave your path to financial freedom.